Hi there, I'm Dr. Tom Milligan. I'm a GP in Practice 1 Bridlington. You may have seen messages I sent about coronavirus right back at the start of the pandemic, back in March and April time. I just felt it's a really important time to do a further update as things within the pandemic seem to be changing quickly. The first part is to say about general practice and just to let you know that we're still open and we're there for support for you. The way that support is working is slightly different than when you've seen in the past because we're taking everything by telephone calls to start with and sourcing absolutely everything possible by phone and only bringing people into the surgery who absolutely need to be examined. This seems to work really well and is allowing people to have access to care but without increasing the risk of them catching or passing on coronavirus. As we've seen the numbers increase across the region, we've started working with East Riding of Yorkshire Council to try and impress upon people some key messages in order to keep yourself safe if the numbers are going back up. The first part of this is to say, if you've got symptoms of coronavirus, please just call 119. This is the NHS number where you can call to go and get yourself a COVID swab. It's really important to have done this early and preferably to have done this even before calling a GP with symptoms. If that swab, if you're waiting for the results of that swab, is really important to impress as well, please stay at home and isolate and keep your family isolated until you've got the results of your swab, because what we don't want is further spread. Working with East Riding of Yorkshire Council, I want to re-emphasise some of the messages that they have to do with helping keep people safe. And these messages really are that we want you to not be the link, we want to try and stop the spread, and we want you to help us to save lives. Thanks ever so much.